1. Hummingbird. Background: garden with colorful flowers. Our first feathered friend is the dazzling hummingbird. These tiny birds are like living rainbows with wings. They're the only birds that can hover in mid-air, just like a helicopter. With wings that beat incredibly fast, they can even fly backward. Can you imagine? Toucan background, vibrant rainforest. Look at this striking bird, the toucan. Known for their gigantic, colorful bills, toucans are like nature's artists. They use their beaks to pick fruit from the trees, and their vibrant feathers make them stand out in the lush green forests they call home. Parrot background, lush tropical forest. Next up is the clever and talkative parrot. These birds are like nature's little comedians. They can mimic all sorts of sounds, and some even learn to talk. They come in a rainbow of colors and have beaks strong enough to crack open nuts. They're like the party animals of the bird world. Hoopoe background, meadow with tall grass. Behold the hoopoe, a bird with a crown of feathers. These birds are like nature's detectives. They use their long, slender beaks to search for insects in the ground. And when they fly, they have a distinctive hoop-hoop sound, which gives them their name. Geese background, lakeside with a serene pond. Finally, we have the majestic geese. They're like the travelers of the bird world. Geese are known for their V-shaped formations when they migrate. They're great at teamwork and are excellent swimmers too. They're like a big family, always sticking together. Kiwi background, dark forest with ferns. Now, let's meet the kiwi. This unique bird is from the distant lands of New Zealand. They're like little fluffy ninjas, with keen senses and strong legs. Did you know they're nocturnal, which means they come out mostly at night? They're a bit shy, but they're certainly amazing. And there you have it, our marvelous feathered friends. Each one of these birds has something special that makes them unique and fascinating. So next time you're outside, keep an eye out for these incredible creatures. Who knows, you might just spot one of them on your own adventure. And until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the wonders of the natural world. Bye for now, young bird enthusiasts. Keep watching and subscribe. Daniel Hyder Cartoon